Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best TV stand is probably one of the most versatile pieces of furniture you can add to your living room, especially when you're looking for a clean, modern aesthetic to complement your 55-inch television. This white TV stand offers not just a place to house your TV, but also ample storage for media consoles, gaming systems, and decorative items, all while maintaining a sleek and uncluttered look that can transform the entire feel of your entertainment space. Number 5. Furinno JAYA Large Entertainment Stand. Introducing a TV stand with a simple yet stylish design, perfect for any room in your home. It offers a functional and versatile solution for your entertainment needs. This entertainment center provides a raised top panel for your television. It also includes two side cabinets and open shelves, ideal for organizing all your media devices and decorative items. Rest assured, the top panel is built to support your TV, holding up to 50 pounds. It's designed to be a reliable centerpiece for your viewing experience. Crafted from high-quality, durable composite wood and sturdy plastic tubes, this piece is built to last. Its rounded corners ensure safety for your family. Made with FSC-certified wood, it combines sustainable materials with excellent craftsmanship. You can count on its long-term durability and dependable use. Measuring 15.8 inches deep, 47.2 inches wide, and 19.6 inches high, it fits perfectly into your living space. Its thoughtful dimensions make it a great addition to any apartment or bedroom. What we like. This stand offers a simple yet stylish design, perfect for various rooms. It features a raised top panel and cabinets for organized storage. If you're looking for a functional and durable option for your living room, bedroom, or apartment, this is a great choice. What people say. The stand is sturdy and can hold a 55-inch TV without any issues. The white finish is sleek and modern, fitting well with various decor styles. Assembly was straightforward, with clear instructions provided. Number 4. WLIVE Mid-Century Modern TV Stand. Enhance your home with this TV stand, blending rustic aesthetics and modern durability. It's perfectly sized for TVs up to 55 and 60 inches, making it an ideal centerpiece for your home theater. Enjoy premium convenience with soft-close hinges for a quiet experience. Its tall legs allow robot vacuums to pass easily, and integrated cable holes keep your setup clutter-free. Maximize your space with ample storage. The adjustable central shelf can accommodate items of various sizes, keeping your entertainment area neatly organized. Crafted from premium engineered wood, its surface is scratch-resistant and easy to clean. Reinforced feet ensure stability and can support up to 110 pounds. Skip the DIY headache with labeled parts and a step-by-step guide. 2 people are recommended for assembly, and our support team is always available for assistance. What we like. Experience timeless mid-century modern charm with this elegant piece. It boasts soft-close cabinets for a quiet experience and triple-level adjustable storage to maximize your space. If you appreciate a blend of rustic aesthetics and modern convenience, and need flexible storage solutions, this is the perfect centerpiece for your home theater. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and well-made. It has plenty of storage space for all your media devices. The white finish is sleek and modern, and it looks great in my living room. Number 3. YITAHOME Farmhouse Corner TV Stand. Embrace a blend of modern and farmhouse aesthetics with this beautifully crafted entertainment center. Its rustic design adds a cozy, retro vibe to any living space. Designed to accommodate flat-screen TVs up to 50 inches, this stand provides a perfect centerpiece for your viewing experience. Its 3-tier design offers ample space. Stay connected and powered up with the built-in convenience of 2 USB ports and 2 standard outlets. It's perfect for charging your TV, gaming consoles, and other devices. Built with a robust steel and wood frame, this unit offers exceptional stability and support. The top and shelves can hold significant weight without sagging, ensuring longevity. This versatile unit combines closed cabinets for privacy with open shelving for displaying your favorite items. It perfectly balances your storage and display needs. Setting up your new entertainment center is a breeze. With clear, step-by-step instructions, assembly can be completed in about 30 to 40 minutes by 2 people. What we like. This entertainment center stands out with its built-in power outlet, featuring USB ports and standard outlets for easy charging. Its modern farmhouse style adds a cozy, retro vibe. If you need a convenient way to manage electronics and desire a stylish, robust unit that can hold up to 300 pounds, this is an excellent option. What people say. The stand has a sleek, modern design that complements my living room. It was surprisingly easy to assemble, with clear instructions. The ample storage space is perfect for organizing my media consoles and accessories. Number 2. BONTEC Rolling TV Stand with Tilt. This versatile stand fits most 23 to 65-inch TVs, supporting various visa patterns and weights. It's designed to work with many popular brands, offering a flexible solution for your display needs. Enhance your viewing experience with its adjustable tilt function. You can easily angle your screen up to 10 degrees for optimal comfort and reduced glare, perfect for any viewing situation. Move your display effortlessly with its 4 360 degrees locking wheels. These durable casters ensure smooth mobility while keeping your device stable and secure wherever you place it. Its thoughtful design keeps it close to the wall, saving valuable floor space. The adjustable shelf is ideal for accessories like laptops or gaming consoles, keeping them within reach. Keep your setup looking clean and professional with the integrated cable management system. It neatly organizes all your wires and cables, ensuring a clutter-free appearance. What we like. This mobile TV stand offers ultimate flexibility with its 360 degrees locking wheels and adjustable tilt function for the best viewing angle. Its space-saving design keeps it close to the wall. If you need a portable solution, want to easily move your TV between rooms or for outdoor use, or have limited floor space, this rolling stand is ideal. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and can hold a 55-inch TV without any issues. The white finish is sleek and modern, fitting well with most decor styles. Assembly was straightforward, and all necessary hardware was included. Number 1. ZttRiee Mid-Century Modern TV Stand. This media console is designed to perfectly accommodate your television, supporting screens up to 65 inches. Its spacious top offers ample room for your TV or decorative items. Built with 6 solid wood feet, including adjustable middle ones for perfect balance, this unit provides exceptional stability. The sturdy P2 particleboard construction ensures it will last for years. Keep your living space tidy with its convenient storage options. It features a central shelf and 2 large cabinets, perfect for organizing your essentials and hiding clutter. Setting up your new entertainment center is a breeze. With included installation videos, clear instructions, and all necessary tools, assembly is quick and straightforward. Enhance your living room with its unique blend of modern and boho styles. The natural rattan doors and clean lines add a touch of natural elegance to any decor. Tired of messy wires? This console features 2 discrete cord holes in the back, helping you keep your cables neat and organized for a cleaner look. What we like. This media console brings a unique boho chic vibe with its rattan decorated doors and mid-century modern design. It offers ample storage with shelves and 2 cabinets, plus convenient cord management. If you're looking to upgrade your living room with a stylish, functional piece that blends modern and natural elements, this is a fantastic addition. What people say. The stand is very sturdy and can hold my 55-inch TV without any issues. The white finish is beautiful and looks great in my living room. Assembly was straightforward and took less than an hour. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.